VACC's Technical Advisory Service has been receiving calls from members on how to test and replace the brake boosters on the 2007 to 2016 Mazda CX-9. This is due to the symptoms that some present and the difficulty in accessing the booster. The CX-9 booster diaphragm may develop small tears. These tears can allow leakage from the atmosphere side to the vacuum side of the diaphragm, which reduces the differential pressure. This results in the drivers exerting more effort to the brake pedal during the initial application. However, the extra effort diminishes as the pedal is pressed further, as the outer wall of the booster partially seals the tear. Once the tear gets big enough, a hissing noise may be heard in the vehicle. However, a full diagnostic procedure should be carried out to determine the cause of the brake problem before replacing any parts. If replacing the booster, care is required when mounting the master cylinder. The front face of the booster can be warped easily. This could cause a vacuum leak as the booster will not create a seal with the master cylinder. You may only find this out once the vehicle is back together, in which case you may have to start again with another booster. To replace the booster, you should allow 3 hours labour. For the procedure to test and replace the brake booster on the Mazda CX-9, see the October 2019 issue of Tech Talk, log on to Tech Online, or call VACC's Technical Advisory Service.